Hello everyone, Archana here. I am here with another beautiful kit. Yes, and this kit I have used Minte paper, the paper collection called Lady. It's really beautiful collection. So I thought I will just create a kit using this one. So I will show you all the papers inside quickly. These are 12 by 12 collection and you will get two of the papers of each design. So let's see. So first page has these beautiful images. These are very pretty images and they are easy to cut. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, this page is my favorite page. So pretty. And I love all the colors. I mean this color combination. It's very deep bottle green color and light shade of peach. So you can see all the peach roses right here, and look at the images, beautifully painted, very pretty. And I never seen this kind of color combination. And backside has this cushion, and it has a photo, actual photo and painted images together. You can see all these leaves and vines. This window is a photo, I guess, and all the painted images. What a neat idea. The back side is ombre green, and then look at this image. So cute. Perfume bottles. It's beautiful. And backside has these laces, and we'll have some floral page here, another floral page, and this one is in light color, this one is in dark shade. Backside is like this, and this one's backside like this. And then we'll have all the cutouts, cut apart images here, and backside has all these frames. And then again we have another set. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 double-sided pages, and this one is bonus. And these pages are very thick, very nice, heavy weight pages. And then I will show you all the embellishments. So let's open this page. And since this page has all the light colors like peachy colors, I have these two-tone gardenias. It's quite big size, 5 of them. And then I have a Prima wine, very pretty. So this one is in same peach color combination. And then since this collection has a very pretty frame, I thought I will just get one of the frame for the collection, but I couldn't find very smooth frame like this one. So I have this Prima frame in oval shape. This is cute frame, you can see, very nice detailed frame, and the size is very nice, very big frame. So this one is here, and I'll show you some of the images. So here there is a mirror right here. So I have some wooden pieces. I have this mirror from Prima's old collection, so I thought I'll just put this mirror in this kit. And then I have this a lady for this lady collection. And then I do have this vintage comb, very cute, you can see, it's really cute. So this one is here. And then I thought I will just use this cute resin piece, perfect for this theme. So I have it here, and they goes well together, the frame and that image. And I have this Prima Swirl Sienna Pearl. So this one is here, and also I have this mini album, kind of mini album. I will show you. I'll just open it. This is very cute. You can create a cute mini album. And since this collection has this dress form, I thought this matches well with this image. I'll again show you. So this one. So I thought I'll just match with this one, right? Almost. And this one has these two holes, and you are getting the ring, binder rings also. Right now I don't have it here, but definitely you are getting binder rings. And this is from Scrapenic, and this one has 5 pages. So you can create really cute album using this one. So this lady kit I have in limited quantity. Believe me, it's a limited quantity. And I promise I am getting Amethyst Rose kit back in stock again. I have so many requests that also sold fast, and I also have these in very limited quantity currently, but if I have good response I will definitely make more, but you need to wait for that. If you want right now, just go ahead and click that link and have fun shopping. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.